In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a multicolor background in Canva. Now, suppose you want to create, say, to edit an image or to create a YouTube thumbnail and you don't want a uniform background. There's a way you can make a multicolor background using the gradient colors. Now, for instance, let's select a YouTube background that is blank and we want to go add a multicolor background. Now, as you can see, the background of our image is white. Now, to change this to multicolor, just point to the color which is on top here and click on it to open colors. On this column, you'll see solid colors, which are default colors. These are uniform solid colors. But if you scroll down, you can see what you call gradients. Now, gradients gives you a variety of colors that you can use. If we go with solid color and select one, you will see the color is uniform. However, if we change the color to gradient and select one, you can see how this varies. So sample between the gradients and choose the color as you wish. If you need to edit more to achieve the particular color you need, just go ahead and select on the color. Go to this wheel here and add new colors and select on the plus icon. Now this will give you various styles of the color that you have chosen that you can change to achieve that particular color that you wish. So select the colors as you wish or change them from here and use this scale to vary the background as you wish. You can do the same also to the other color and let the variation suit your need. Once you're satisfied with it, click outside. Because you wanted to use this as a background, now you can go ahead and start adding the images that you wanted to begin your editing and add the elements that you wanted into your background. Once you're satisfied with the changes, just go ahead and click on share button here to download your image and click on download to finish. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.